Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image transparent on Pixlr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. If you haven't already logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, right at the homepage, you will see the Remove BG option. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on Select Photo in order to upload your picture. After uploading the photo, the background will be removed right away. You can click on the Fine Tune button and make various different other adjustments manually if you wish. In order to download the image, you can click on the Save button and it will be downloaded as a transparent image file right away. And now you will be able to use this image on any of your projects. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create an image transparent on Pixlr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.